Welcome to an overview of IrisX, a cutting-edge software designed to transform how professionals work with CAD drawings. IrisX isn't just another CAD tool, it leverages advanced machine learning and computer vision technologies to revolutionize your interaction with engineering drawings. Today, we'll explore how IrisX operates primarily with CAD drawings in PDF format, a common choice in the industry due to its accessibility and widespread use. With IrisX, you can do much more than view PDFs. Our software intelligently detects and catalogs key characteristics and features directly from your drawings. Whether it's a complex assembly or a simple part, IrisX understands and identifies critical details that matter in engineering and design processes. One of the core strengths of IrisX is its ability to monitor and record any changes made to the drawings. Each alteration is tracked meticulously, ensuring that you maintain a thorough record of revisions. This feature is invaluable for quality control, project management, and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Furthermore, IrisX enhances your workflow by providing the capability to export these insights into Excel format. This functionality allows seamless integration with other software tools, such as Tolerance 360, facilitating a cohesive and interconnected toolkit for your projects. Join us as we demonstrate how IrisX can make handling CAD drawings more efficient, accurate, and integrated within your existing software ecosystem. Experience firsthand how our technology can save time, reduce errors, and provide invaluable insights into your engineering drawings.